Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update. We have a very dangerous day ahead, so let's get right to it. We have a high risk for severe weather today that encompasses east central and northeastern Arkansas, extreme northwestern Alabama, far western Tennessee, southwestern Kentucky, far south central Illinois, and southeastern Missouri. This is your second high risk of 2025. So, today's high risk includes Memphis, Tennessee, Jonesboro, Arkansas, Pine Bluff, Arkansas, Bartlett, Tennessee, and South Haven, Mississippi. We have a moderate risk for severe weather today that encompasses portions of central, southeastern, and northeastern Arkansas, far north central Louisiana, northwestern Mississippi, central Alabama, central Kentucky, southwestern Indiana, southeastern Illinois, and southeastern Missouri. Cities in the moderate today include Louisville, Kentucky, Little Rock, Arkansas, Evansville, Indiana, Clarksville, Tennessee, and Bloomington, Indiana. We have an enhanced risk for severe weather today that encompasses northeastern Texas, southeastern Oklahoma, northern Louisiana, western and north central Arkansas, central Missouri, northern Mississippi, central Tennessee, central Kentucky, much of Illinois, most of Indiana, western half of Ohio, and southern Michigan. Cities in today's enhanced include Chicago, Illinois, Dallas, Texas, Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, and Fort Worth, Texas. So, areas in the yellow today, are on a slight risk. So, cities in the slight risk include Detroit, Michigan, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Cleveland, Ohio, Akron, Ohio, and Grand Rapids, Michigan. And we have areas in the dark green are on a marginal risk for severe weather today. Cities in the marginal include Tulsa, Oklahoma, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Madison, Wisconsin, Huntsville, Alabama, and Killeen, Texas. So, going to today's tornado threat, and we have a very high tornado threat for today. We have a 30% chance of tornadoes today, and there could be strong, very strong, violent tornadoes within the 30% area today. Cities in the areas in the 30% are east central and northeastern Arkansas, extreme northwestern Mississippi, western Tennessee, far southwestern Kentucky, far south central Illinois, and far southeastern Missouri. Areas in the 30% tornado risk area today could see very strong, violent, long-track tornadoes. There could be strong tornadoes, very strong, violent, long-tracked. Areas in the 30% could see EF3, EF4, maybe even EF5 tornadoes today. Let's hope not, but areas in the 30% tornado risk area could see very strong tornadoes of EF3, EF4, maybe EF5. Cities in the 30% include Memphis, Tennessee, Jonesboro, Arkansas, Pine Bluff, Arkansas, Bartlett, Tennessee, and South Haven, Mississippi. There is a 15% chance of tornadoes today that encompasses central and southeastern Arkansas, far north central Louisiana, northwestern Mississippi, southeastern Missouri, central Tennessee, central Kentucky, southeastern Missouri, southeastern Illinois, and southwestern Indiana. Areas in the 15% could also see there is violent EF3, EF4, maybe EF5, but I think the highest potential for an EF5 is in the 30%. So, cities in the 15% include Louisville, Kentucky, Little Rock, Arkansas, Evansville, Indiana, Clarksville, Tennessee, and Bloomington, Indiana. There is a 10% chance of tornadoes today that encompasses far northeastern Texas, northern Louisiana, central Arkansas, northern Mississippi, central Missouri, central Illinois, extreme northwestern Alabama, central Tennessee, central Kentucky, central Indiana, and western Ohio. Cities in the 10% include Indianapolis, Indiana, Nashville, Tennessee, St. Louis, Missouri, Cincinnati, Ohio, and Lexington, Fayette, Kentucky. Don't make this update on me. but areas in the black dashed area encompasses the entirety of the 10%, 15%, and 30% tornado risk areas. The black dashed areas is where we have the highest potential of seeing strong tornadoes of EF2 or stronger, and again, there could be the highest potential of violent EF4 plus tornadoes are in the highest potential of EF4 or EF3 or stronger tornadoes will be in the 30% and the 15%. So areas in the brown are in a 5% chance of tornadoes today, and areas in the dark green are in a 2% tornado risk area today. So I don't really have time to get to all the specifics of the lower numbers, so I want to focus on the higher numbers of each risk. So, since I have so much to cover in a short period of time. So, there is a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that covers most of Arkansas, northwestern Mississippi, far northwestern corner of Alabama, the western half of Tennessee, southeastern Missouri, most of Illinois, most of Kentucky, all of Indiana, southern Michigan, and western half of Ohio. Cities in the 30% wind risk area today include Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, Memphis, Tennessee, and Nashville, Tennessee. So, and if you're in the black dashed areas, the black dashed area is where you have the highest potential of seeing hurricane force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour or higher today. So, anyway, again, the black dashed area is where you have the highest potential of seeing hurricane force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour or higher. So, areas, if you're in the yellow areas, the yellow area is where you have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. And the brown areas are in a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. And again, I don't have time to get into the specifics of the lower numbers. I really want to focus mainly on the higher numbers. So, anyway, going to today's hail threat. There is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses northeastern Texas, southeastern Oklahoma, northern Louisiana, most of Arkansas, northwestern Mississippi, western Tennessee, southeastern Missouri, the southern half of Illinois, western half of Kentucky, central and southern Indiana, and far southwestern Ohio. Cities in the 30% hail risk area include Dallas, Texas, Indianapolis, Indiana, Memphis, Tennessee, Fort Worth, Texas, and Nashville, Tennessee. And the black dashed area is where you have the highest potential of seeing hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. So, there is areas in the yellow are in a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, and the brown areas are where you have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today. So, going to the summary for today, a tornado outbreak is expected today and tonight from parts of the lower Mississippi Valley into the Mid-South and lower Ohio Valley. Numerous tornadoes, along with multiple EF3 plus tornadoes, appear likely. In addition, tornadoes, significant wind gusts, severe wind gusts, and large hail to very large hail will be possible across a broad area from North Texas northeastward to the southern Great Lakes. So, that's your day one outlook. So, stay safe today and have a way of getting notified. Have a weather radio on you or listen to your TV, phone, whatever. Have any way of getting alerts today. Again, whether it be your TV, your phone, or weather radio. And before you go to bed tonight, make sure you have a way of getting notified tonight in case there's, severe weather warnings, tornado warnings tonight. Have a way of getting notified whether through your TV, phone, or weather radio. Do whatever you have to do to wake you up, or maybe even sleep in your safe place tonight so you don't have to move. So anyway, stay safe today, and my day 2 outlook will come out very soon.